Google's Nano Banana just changed everything. This neon crystal sneaker, made in seconds. Your ideas instantly alive.
Armate! Powered by Google Nano Banana, be bringing ye the future of AI magic.
This is the respiratory system. The trachea carries air into the lungs. The lungs expand and contract as
Google just released the most powerful AI image model ever, Nano Banana. This tool lets you update any image instantly while keeping everything perfectly consistent. And that is huge because it could completely change the way visual industries from photography to design actually work. I'm going to walk you through some of the coolest ways Nano Banana can be used. We will start with simple everyday edits that anyone can try and then dive into some of the most mind-blowing possibility for creators and businesses. So let's go there. Now, to use Nano Banana, which is also called Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Model, all you have to do is come to gemini.google.com. So once you've opened it, you want to select Image in the toolbars down at the bottom right here. Also, we want to select Create Image and make sure you have 2.5 Flash selected up here. Now, I'm going to show you what is possible with our own images because this is some of the most fun we can have with Nano Banana. So go to Add Files, go to Upload Files, select a photo of yourself, your fine face. So pop it in. And now we can ask it to do anything we like. Let's start with something simple. I want to ask it to put me in a pink suit. Set, you can use natural language to relate to this model and it will understand exactly what you are asking for and implement those changes in seconds. So as you can see here that we made her put on a pink suit. Look at how this model edits my previous pictures. It puts me in a beautiful suit that really suits me well. Or how do you see those suits on me? And the best part, the facial look remains the same, which is not so for many AI editing models. Now let us try to change our hairstyle. So I want to change our hair into ponytail style. Look at that, within 10 to 15 seconds, I have made different hairstyles and get a nice portrait of myself that you could use for your LinkedIn or Instagram posts, and it maintained perfect character consistency. Now let's take this a step further because there are a few other things we can actually do. So I want to give it a specific outfit, and for this you can either ask it to put in clothes as we have done earlier, or you can upload another image of the exact clothing that you would like to try. So you might be browsing on different outfits and come across any style you like. You can simply do outfit swap. So let us try that. So I want to head over to Pinterest for formal outfit for women. Now, when you find one you like, all you have to do is save the image to your local device. Then you come back into Gemini and go to Upload Files. So from here, you're going to add in the image that you found of a fancy new outfit you'd love to try out. So I simply type, put this cloth on the character, give the background a modern office feel, and add some studio lighting. And look at that. Now, what is great about this is we can incrementally change our images. If you don't like anything, simply ask for a new version. You can recreate it. Now, this would previously have taken hours on Photoshop, and you can do it instantly with this quick prompt. We can also say, give me a close shot of this image, and you will have it. It has given you a close shot and still maintain the background. This is mind-blowing. Now, if you can't afford a professional photograph, but you want to level up your personal brand photos online, you can simply take a selfie and use it to create high-quality LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram photos. And of course, each of these platforms requires a slightly different look and feel. And with Gemini, you can create tailored images for each setting instantly. Look at it. But we can have a lot of fun with this. Another fun you can have with this is you can generate yourself through the decades. You age yourself to see how you look when you were younger, different years apart. Look at that. This is how I looked in 90s. And all of the other years, you can see. But I'm curious, what I might look like in the year 2060s. Let's check that. And this is it. In this platform, you can also colorize the old photos of your grandparents or parents and make them come alive using any image to video tool. Let's generate Instagram advertising products. So I want to try to generate a luxury sneakers. So after generating the image and you're not pleased, you could edit it to how you want it. And when you are pleased with it, but I want it more glittery, more beautiful, then I downloaded it. So what I did was I take it to any image of my choice. For this, I use Google VO2 for this advert motion prompt. And this is the result. You can use Midjourney, you can use Kling AI or any AI of your choice that can change image to videos. For this tutorial, I use Google VO2 for this motion, and this is the result I got from this. You can see how beautiful it is. You simply use this method to advertise your product. You can as well integrate your image to any location of yourself. Like this lamp can be placed anywhere in this bedroom, which is powerful. However, I tried to integrate this sneaker to this billboard. I'm not actually pleased with the blending. So you can try this on your own with different locations and images, and let me know in the comment section if yours comes out well, and you can as well do a screenshot and let's see how it looks. Of course, if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Like this video and hit that subscribe button. Have you done that? Okay, thank you. Also, I tried to generate the detailed respiratory system of a man. This works well for those that are into health niche on YouTube. So if you want to explain a particular part of organism, you can create wide or close shot of any health image you want your audience to concentrate on. This tool has come to enhance your productivity, and as an entrepreneur or content creator, make do with it while it is still very free. So I generated one and I asked it to give me a close shot of a particular part, and there we have it. So I just animated it with Google VO3, and here now we have the animated image. Interestingly, with Nano Banana, you can create long piece of filmmaking. This is absolutely essential. This means that we'll be able to recreate our characters in a whole host of different situations. We'll be able to have our characters look the same from one scene to another. How cool is this? And this is truly the most powerful, the most capable, and the most competent AI image model we have ever seen. It opens the door for an unbelievable amount of creativity, from filmmaking to graphic design to any visual creative industry out there. And you can try it for free now. I'll leave a link in the description below, as well as a link to all of the prompts that I used in this video. And make sure to try it out and let me know what you're going to create with this. The future is wide and the future is here. Now, if you enjoyed this video, do well to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we drop a valuable content like this. But most of all, I want to thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. It's your support that helps makes this channel possible. And if you have any feedback or suggestion for future videos, do feel free to let me know. And see you in the next video. Thank you.
Armate, powered by Google Nano Banana, AB bringing ye the future of AI magic.